Guys, it's me, Bella, and
Callum.
And today we are going to show you how to make egg rolls. First, you're going to want to have some Fruitellas or Starburst or whatever, and melt it up, which we have done. For about 30 or 20 seconds.
Then we're going to add cornstarch after you've melted it.
You mean flour? We call it
Cornstarch.
flour.
Yeah.
In England.
Another thing, you can add banana spray as well if you like, because that's what I've done, because I like bananas.
And it's mine. Flour.
Yeah, I don't taste like bananas.
No. That's why you brought a bunch of bananas on holiday with you.
Yeah, I like that banana, not banana spray.
I hate the feel of cornflour.
Hey, help me out here.
I hate the feel of cornflour.
Do you have to get my fingers in there?
Mhm.
Oh yeah.
You didn't even wash your hands. Anyway, it's yours.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
Do you like the feel of cornflour?
I like the feel of it. Don't
Really?
feel of it. Don't even feel of anything.
I hate the feel.
A cornflower, because I'm not like cornflower. I don't like cornflower. It sucks. Oh, it's out of my mouth, Bella.
Really? Okay. I don't know why I'm doing that, but... Oh, I'm just gonna...
I think I've got as much cornflower as I can in this.
I am.
Okay, I think I've got it. Done it.
Takes a test. Oh, it's rainbow.
Here you go, guys. Rainbow Fruitella slime.
You have to get it in that little dot so they can stick.
Woo! Red, yellow, and red.
Bye, subscribe to mine and my brother's channel. My brother's channel is called Samuel's Wedding.
Out, drop the lid.
Okay, so this video will end in a few minutes because we're only allowed 2 minutes and 35 seconds.
Yeah, we're only allowed like 2 minutes, 35 seconds
So I need
to the end
to
of the video.
delete some videos. Look at that, it's so cool, it's rainbow.
So subscribe.
Bye! Mwah!
Like and subscribe to our channel.
And my brother's